Good morning everyone. Today I am going to share my recipe. Stem banana cake. Okay, first of all you have to prepare the wet ingredients. Okay, you will need 2 eggs, regular size, ripe bananas, 4 pieces, regular size, then half cup of melted butter, half cup of evaporated milk, and half tablespoon of vanilla extract. Alright, then the next, you have to crush them first. You have to mix all together before adding the dry ingredients. Okay, so here are the dry ingredients. You will need 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of white sugar, half cup of brown sugar, so all in all 1 cup of sugar. Then half tablespoon of iodized salt, half tablespoon of vanilla extract, half tablespoon of baking powder. Then mix them all together. Make it sure that the wet ingredients don't mix well the banana, so that when you bake it, mayroon ka pang makikita na mga buo-buo. Kaya lang hindi ako ang nagbe-bake, ang ate ko, kaya na-mix niya too much. Pero the banana, don't crush it well, so that when you bake it, mayroon pa siyang matitirang buo. Yan, ready to bake na for 45 minutes. Alright, bye!